Hello my majesties, welcome back to my channel. This video would be my beauty studio reveal, all of my decor, where I got it from and how much I paid, and also all the trials and tribulations and vlogging it took to get to this point. So without further ado, let's get started and let's start from the very beginning.
It's made by my beauty and lifestyle. Subscribe, cause the vibe's so fire. It's made by my
This was the studio before I put my touch on it. Very blank canvas for me to work with. Let's start with the construction before we move into the furniture. So we're gonna start with the paint, and as you can see, my color scheme was pale pinks, black, and gold. I started out choosing this wallpaper, and I knew that the paint had to match as closely as possible, so I went to Home Depot to look at different colors and match it as perfectly as I could, and then I ended up with this color called Rose Water. Got two cans, one pink and one black, for $30 each, and my wallpaper came from Walmart. I got two of those for $20 each. Here you can see the progress that my contractor was making with the paint. And here in the next clip you will see the wallpaper was added, not all of it, and you can also see that the floors were a gray color, and I just knew that would not go with my aesthetic, and I wanted black floors. So originally I thought, or me and my contractor thought, to paint the floors black, and that did not work out. This was the finished look of the paint, of the black paint. This is the before. From afar, it doesn't look bad, but trust me, I see all the imperfections. So, we bought these tiles, and this will be the new floor. That will be the new floor. Hey guys, this is the layout. Without the white, of course. And this is just the map of how we're gonna place them down. Okay guys, we had to put everything back in because we're in such a rush. I was so happy with this outcome. Me and my boyfriend put this down. It was a pill and stick, 3 boxes from Home Depot for $30 each. And while we're on the floor, this faux fur rug came from Amazon for $30, and also the paint was done by a contractor for $200. Also, this can came from Target, this trash can, for about $20. To the signs that personalize my room. I got these signs from Etsy, and I will try to leave their link down below. These signs were put up by my contractor with silicone, so they're very sturdy, and I will tell you more about the price in the next clip. These are the letters for the signs in the studio. Gold glass, beautiful. I'm so happy with them. So when I first seen them on Etsy, I thought they were only gonna be $50, but they tricked me, and it goes by the length and the width and the weight and etc. So these signs end up costing me $5.75 for the pair. I got Made by Maya on one wall, and I got my 2 M's for my logo on the other wall. And here are some pictures of how cute they are. Moving on to my desk area where I do my work and nail clients. I will get more into the details in the next clip. Okay, so I haven't been vlogging because I've been really stressed because this part of the desk got messed up and the nail burst the wood. So we had to go get some liquid nails. And this is drying right now. It's nowhere near dry. I hope it really works. It looks crazy, but this part won't be showing the desk. So while we do the chairs, we're letting this dry, and this place is a freaking mess, y'all. It was just too much going on with trying to put furniture together, so I just had my contractor put all of my furniture together. I got these desks from Walmart. They were $160 each. I got those candle holders from TJ Maxx, as well as the candles. The flowers, I ended up replacing them with some fake flowers from Michael's. I got that frame from a regular no-name store. The book came from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and the chandelier lamp came from Amazon. Candle holders and the frame was $20. The chandelier lamp was $40, and the book was $10. These are filing cabinets, but I use it to hold stuff in here, and I got that on Amazon, or no, I got this on Walmart, sorry, for about like $60. My chairs came from Amazon. I will try to leave the link down below, and they were $200 for the pair. Moving on to my makeup and nail product display. This is actually a bookcase from Walmart. It was $120. It is gold to go with all the rest of my aesthetic, and I love the shape of it. It is very royalty shaped, and it matches my bench that's beside it and my chairs and everything else in my room. Moving on to my love seat. I absolutely love this bench so much. I got this on Amazon for $220 when I was looking for my chairs. This was in the suggested. It is not the same color as my chairs, but it's close enough, and it definitely goes with my aesthetic. Right above it is this mirror that I got on Amazon for either $30 or $40. It is simple and it's gold, and you can't have a beauty room without a mirror. Hello. And this is me, and you can see how it goes with my room. Moving on to this luxury touch, my wine cart. I got it from Wayfair for $120. And when I have clients, I use the top to hold my makeup and the bottom for wine, because I do offer wine to my clients. And yeah, luxury experience. Moving on to my most used place in this room. It is my makeup chair with my palm trees. Just so beautiful. My makeup chair, it was $120, and my palm trees, I made them. So let's get into this DIY. These lamps came from Target for $60 each. This gold spray paint came from Michael's, and my feathers, well, I think these are called ostrich feathers. That's what they are, and they were $70 for a pack. I will leave the link down below if I can. I got these styrofoam bowls from Michael's, and what you want to do is place the styrofoam bowl on top of the lamp and secure it how you can. Mine's just, you know, styrofoam, whatever is sharp will just make it stick. You know, just grab onto it, and that's what was in my lamp. I spray painted the styrofoam bowls gold until they were opaque enough, and then you simply just stick the feathers in to the styrofoam bowl, and they will stay, and you just go around and around in a circle until you get to this point, and you play around with it so it can look like a palm tree. And that's how you can get a DIY palm tree lamp, because they be charging $500 for one, and ain't nobody got time for that, girl. Okay, we is beauty on a budget sometimes until we are rich and wealthy, and these are how it looks, and it's so beautiful, and I just love it. That concludes my beauty studio reveal. Thank you, Majesties, for watching and subscribing to me. This room was definitely made with you guys in mind, because we don't do nothing less than royalty and luxury over here, okay? I hope that you like this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!